In a ray of hope this evening, an ex-police officer finally gets the help he deserves after falling on hard times. TVJ's Janela Pursues has his story.
Ex-police officer Lorenzo McLegan knows the exact number of days and months he's been bedridden.
After 480 months of suffering, this is a really dream come true, one that I could not think of.
The dream of which he speaks is the construction of a brand new house. Food for the Poor has committed to building the structure, and there is excitement in the McLegan household because signs of what's to come are starting to emerge. The land adjacent to where he lives in Hart Hill, Windsor Castle, Portland has been cleared, and that's not all.
My commitment to the McLegan family is that based on his circumstances that he has his mother helping to look after him and other family members, is to take the financial stress off of them in terms of them being able to sustain and support him with all that he will need to be comfortable.
Mr. McLegan, now 74 years old, was shot and injured on the job in 1976. The shooting incident happened in Olympic Gardens. At the time, he was assigned to Mobile Reserve. He never recovered after suffering spinal injury, which affected his ability to walk. As a result, he was let go from the JCF after only serving 2 years. He's been living on a special grant of under $2,000 per month for the last 40 years. His elderly mother has been his only source of hope and comfort. Now that the police and government have come to his assistance, Mr. McLegan is hoping that other ex-police officers who are in a similar position like he is will also get help.
I know that there are other suffering persons out there. I can't pinpoint anyone, but I know I'm not alone. And then I only hope they will turn attention after a while and set up something for other persons.
With your ray of hope, I'm Janela Pursues.
A Ray of Hope is brought to you by Courts.
Get courts protection in the event of redundancy, accident, flood, or theft.
Time now for the responses from our friends on Facebook and Twitter, and Archie is at the smart board.
Thanks, Lorraine. Here's a question this evening. We're asking, what do you think about the changes to the cabinet? Here's the first comment. Who cares? That doesn't change the price of things, says that person. This person says, good job, Montague and Audley should have gone long time. Sweet me bad. Third comment. About time them fling out the old cabinet and go buy a whatnot, buffet or pine wood cupboard. Cabinet only harbor roach. This person says, I think we should stop focusing on what could go wrong and focus on all that could go right. We have to take risks and changes in life, so even the newly selected members may seem risky. Let's give them a chance to see what they can do. And here is the final comment for this section. Some who would chat and criticize plant red aims for years. Them at the same place and don't have nothing to show. You are the PM. Keep your comments coming on Facebook and Twitter, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and your tweets to @televisionjam. Business news and news from overseas after the break.
Coming up on E-Prime tonight, Queen Africa is celebrating 43 and Buju Banton confirmed for a show in Trinidad upon his release. All this and more right after sports commentary. See you then.